Today we're in Latitude Margaritaville Water Sound, our 55 and up community here on Panama City Beach. And I'm so excited to share with you this 2-bed, 2-bath, brand new construction with tasteful design and modern touches. Let's go check it out. Welcome into this adorable cottage. I love how open this kitchen is. You've got quartz countertops, and I love the contrast that they have here. Beautiful backsplash, and it flows right into, if you'd like to use this as the dining space, moving into this grand living space. Everybody can be here and hang out, and it's that perfect 5 o'clock in Margaritaville lifestyle. Welcome into the main ensuite here at this beautiful conch cottage at Latitude Margaritaville Water Sound. You've got plenty of space for a king-size bed. You even have some bed lights here and a large closet. But the beauty doesn't stop here. I love this main ensuite. You've got those cohesive granite countertops, the same color of fixtures throughout. It's just divine. So for more information, look in that description below. I've got the listing link there for you on this beauty. Bye.